This is all my bread and pastries. Ooh, this lady is so beautiful. Do widzenia, dziękuję bardzo. So the name is Pięknie Cukierna Podstrecha. Dzień dobry, good afternoon. All right, so today is Saturday, basically weekend, and as usual Damian is working, and now I'm exploring the city town. I'm exploring the city actually, and I really like shopping here. So today I'm taking you to go to the rynku, which is actually very close to our apartment. We are living in the Kościelna Street, so it's just about 5-minute walks to our apartment. So yeah, behind me is the famous market here. So yeah, let's see what I'm gonna buy here. Right, so basically over there is Kościelna Street, the area where we are living, and then here is the rynku, and I'll show you around how it looks like. Seems like the weekend some of the shops are closed, but as soon as you arrive here, I'll show you a little bit about the cities surround. I'll show you about the buildings around. Some still old building and some also new buildings. So it's just like surrounded by the vibe. So first of all, whenever you arrive here, there will be the stand of the flower shop. It's just like this. You see, the weekend people are coming here to shopping. And yeah, I'll show you how it looks inside basically. And when we just entered here, some stall selling the used books just like this, and flowers, and just like this one, the what is it called, accessories. So nice, very nice. And I think because of the weekend, some shops are closed. And because this is the traditional market, obviously they also sell the fresh fruits, vegetables, just like this. And also they sell, honey. Over there they also sell, clothes. Very nice. Apples. Yeah, eggs. All looks tempting. This is how the market, and this one is the fish, if I'm not mistaken. That is the fruit and vegetables as well. Flowers, eggs, chicken, clothes, fresh fruits and vegetable. And they also sell clothes, tulip flowers. So this is how it is, basically the traditional market in the Jasicki. So look at those buildings around. I think that this one is still like in Gothic era, but they still keeping the building, and then people are like shopping here. Weekend seems busy, but some of the shops are closed. Let's go there behind, and I don't know what they sell. Oh, they sell cheese. So yeah, let's go around and explore more. So just like this, they also sell mugs and cups, cutleries, clothes. Yeah, I think that on the weekdays must be busier. I think that this one is the pre-loved clothes, what I can see that. And this one is the riba dieta. Riba means fish, if I'm not mistaken, what they sell like this. Oh, nice. Right. And again at this section they also pastry shop here. Nice, Dzień dobry. Oh, very nice. And on this section, fruits and veg. Look at the fresh tomato. Here is the meat section. Mięsny means like meat. Look at the strawberries. And they also sell like so many spices, something like this. And yeah, clothes section. And fruits and vegetables. And this one is the delicacy, again a meat shop. Kielbasa, sausage, fruit section. Ogurek, winogrono. And this one, salad, sałatka, which is salad section. And vegetables, fruit vegetables. And this one is the meat section again, the same. Fruit, vegetables, looks, everything is fresh. So whenever you want to buy something, look at this pomidore, means like tomato. Look at the pastries. This is why bread is home, right? Oh, I mean like home is where the bread is, and look at surround. And one thing is about whenever you come here shopping, make sure you bring your cash, because most of them they didn't, prepare the card reader for, shopping. So look at this selection of the bread pastries. Look at that also. Wow, so good. And the price so cheap. Dzień dobry, mogę prosić dwie bułki kasjerki? Tak, dwie. Jedno drożdżówka cukiernica z budyniem. Right. I try to speak my Polish. Ile kosztuje?
5,58.
Tak.
Proszę.
So this is all my bread and pastries. This lady is so beautiful. Do widzenia. Dziękuję bardzo. So the name is Pięknie Cukierna Podstrecha. Bardzo polecam. And the next is Pihota. I don't know what they are queuing. I think that's the ser. No, that's the sawat. Wow, look at this, the kiwi. Right, let's go around. And another flower shop. Very nice. Wow. Right, kurczak. So I would like to buy something. Kurczak is actually a chicken, right? Dzień dobry. Mogę prosić dwa kang maczane? Maczane. Dziękuję. Dwa. I jedno połęczki. Połęczki orientalne.
Proszę bardzo.
O, dziękuję. So this is actually kurcak, means chicken, and I bought this one, these two, and this one for my lunch. And oh, look at this, smells so good. Bardzo polecam. Right, so this is my shopping, and remember to bring your shopping bag because they will not provide you the shopping bag. And yeah, the smell so good. I'm already hungry. Now it's time to go home. Right, so this is basically the tram. If you wanna come here, you can go also by the public transportation, tram, Grab or Uber, and also I think you can go by this hop and go. And yeah, this is it. Right, I'll show you around, and if you want to look for the bus, this is also the bus station. It's very easy to navigate. And that's in front of me is the famous Zapka. Zapka is just like 7-Eleven, and these two boys actually it's like a food delivery. And I think that's over there. They're also waiting for the bus. And I'll show you around. Look at this beautiful sunshine, and this is a beautiful building and the flower shop. So the total cost my shopping today, chicken for 9 zloty, and then I bought my buki and what is it called, the pastries, drufduska. My favorite one is just around 4 zloty. So 9 plus 4 is actually 13 zloty. 13 zloty times 4,000 rupiah is just like 50,000 rupiah. That's not bad for my lunch and Damian's lunch. So yeah, it's very nice. So, and the things about the quality, the meat quality, the pastries quality is top notch. And I also read the review about the chicken, the kurcak, because I feel like I want to eat ayam goreng. That's why I bought my kurcak. So that's basically the the market. And then this is behind the market. Look at the building, and there are so many shops here and also restaurant. I don't know what is this restaurant basically, but some people I think that ordering food for this. And let's go around. Right, and on the left, on the right is just like this. Oh, this one is the cosmetic shop. Very nice, cool. And this one also flower shop. Look at the buildings around. That's very nice apartment. Wow. And this is the flower shop. Very nice. The flower studio. Oh, look at the pot. It's nice. So this district is called Jezice, which means like the place to eat. So as you see that on the left, on the right side will be so many nice restaurants. And look at this building. Nice. Everywhere is the shop or place to eat. That's obviously the market where we were. I just wonder why the birds in Poland, they are so big and fat. Maybe eat lots of bread, right? And right in front of me is family, and yeah, everywhere a family. And then next to me is the other piękarnia, cukierna, which is a bakery or pastry shop. So how do I feel so far walking alone everywhere I go? It's so safe everywhere you go. It's just simply enjoyable, and I always go walking by myself. So yeah, so far so good. And it's amazing to explore the city with the weather like this. And so far I didn't feel hot, and I really enjoy it. Look at this building, and this is basically I think the apartment on the top, and down is the shop, freezer, means like a salon, a barber, and I'll show you around. Right, so that's the way we go home. Kościelna Street. Kościelna means church. Obviously there is a church over there. Right, so this is actually the kościół, which means the church. I will get closer. This one is the Jezice parish. Dates back to 1894. So basically this church was built in 1894 and it was destroyed during the World War II. Wow. And now the Republic, and it looks like this. Amazing. And this is actually the area surround. So next to it there is a modern building and also the old building. So yeah, I arrived home. I'm in the kitchen and this is my ayam goreng and this is my drufduska. Smacznego. And Damian's food, I still keep it in the storage. Sometimes I'm still feeling like I'm craving for the fried things because in Bali I used to eat in a warung Java with the fried things, MSG, something like that. Here in Poland, I think mostly the food with no MSG. And now I have my ayam goreng, right, in the market. Tastes so good. I think that they use a different seasoning, not like the seasoning lots of MSG, something like that. I can still feel what is it called, pepper inside. Chicken wings with the tomato ketchup. How good, yeah? Crunchy, and I can feel like there is not much MSG on it. Right, so I just finished my lunch basically, and now it's time to stroll around to the park. So this is around me is actually the park in the middle of apartment area, and now it's time to have a dessert. So in Kościelna Street there is one famous ice cream shop basically in the corner, and usually the queue is so long. But now let's go and buy ice cream. Okay, so basically around here there are so many nice restaurants, and this one is the park in the middle, and Hop and Go, and that's the park, and that's the mini petrol station, that's the Lidl, that's the another bakery shop. And look at the beautiful sunshine today and how the people enjoying the time in the afternoon. That's the ice cream shop. So I have to go there to buy the ice cream. So actually the queue is not that long like last time until there where I and Damian was queuing. It's called Bar Lodove. It means that the ice cream bar. So let's go, and this is the traffic situation. Over there is the the bakeries, and this is the people enjoying the time riding a bicycle. That's a quite old building. So yeah, and people having ice cream in the front. So I'm queuing buying the ice cream. Seems like it's busy. So yeah, let's see how it tastes, because last time it's just like many people are buying it. Okay, so this ice cream shop is I think the most famous one in Poznan, and this was about 2013, and it is a very natural organic ice cream, so that's why the queue is so long, many people buying it. But let's see how it tastes. And the queue is like this, and surround is the park like that. So basically this is the ice cream, and they have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flavor. So this is the price. Let's see how it is. So I choose the ice cream with the milk and chocolate. So mleko is chocolate. Nice. So basically that's the ice cream shop where I bought the ice cream. Look at those beautiful dandelions. Everything is green. Spring so beautiful. And next to it is basically another restaurant and also another ice cream shop. And look at the restaurant. It's packed of people from the outside. You see? It's amazing. Let's try this ice cream. This ice cream cost me 14 zloty. I think this is the same price as my lunch before, like pastries and chicken. Quite pricey. I think this is just because of the, you know, the ingredients is organic, natural, and then many people buying it. And what I can say then, one cone ice cream is more expensive than lunch, but it's okay. At least it's worth it to wait for such a long kiwi. And the taste, this is much better than Massimo in Bali. So good. And it's not as easy melted. This is what is the day of my life in Poland. It's very enjoyable and everybody is helping here. Even sometimes when I speak Polish and I don't know what is it in English. I think that's all my video today. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Do widzenia!